Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. I'm Will, and I'll be showing you guys some common things that you can do in Power Query Editor to get your data ready to send it back to Excel. So let's get started. So one of the first things to notice is that one of our tables here says error. So we're going to have to take this out or filter it out of Power Query Editor before we can proceed. So the way we do that is we select this down button here and just unselect the value that has the error. Yep, cool. If you've loaded anything with Power Query Editor to Excel before, you'll also get this option here, which is all like this table here, which is query 1. So we're going to want to filter this out so that we don't have a double copy of everything. So let's filter out query 1 as well. Cool. So let's expand out our data now so that we can see what we're dealing with. So select that button there. And just, okay, let's load everything out. So I've loaded some versions of our tables that don't have the date format formatted properly in the right data type. So the way to change the data type for these column variables is to select this column, go up here to data type any, select that, and then select date. So that's just changed the data format from just a number to being the correct date format. So another thing that you can do in Power Query Editor is to filter out variables that are undesirable. So let's go up here to Content Open, and it's the same kind of idea when we're filtering values just in Excel. There's this drop down menu here, and we're able to select or unselect values that we want to be represented in this table. So you're able to load more values that could be present in this table, but we don't have to do that. So let's just hit OK. All right. So another thing that you can do in Power Query Editor is you can add a new variable to these tables here. So the way you do that is just go to Add Column, Custom Column, wait for the menu to load. Cool. So the new variable that I want to create is called return. And what return is it's the difference between the closing price and the open price, right? So let's load in our close value by just double clicking it. You can also just select it and hit insert, or if you like, you can just type in the variable name, but I wouldn't recommend this in case you misspell it or you miss a capital. So again, it's the close price minus the open price. So let's double click the open. So cool, this is saying that the return variable is the close price minus the open price. So let's just hit OK. And now the variable has appeared here, right? Okay, so let's say we're finished in Power Query Editor and we want to load back our values into Excel. So the way we do that is we go to Close and Open, and we're just going to select Close and Open. So cool. Now our stock data has all been merged together. All our different tables have been merged together. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.